Hi, I'm Anna and I manage the Making Memories programme at MYTime Young Carers. Today we have a group of young carers who've come to make their own films as part of the festival. Young carers often don't get a chance to participate in activity outside of school, and they also have less time and less opportunity to spend with other children. So days like today are amazing, and we're very, very grateful. So we'll see what they come up with.
Hi, I'm Gyori from Bournemouth University. We're here with the Young Carers. We've got 20 kids from ages 5 to 10, and they're writing, directing, and starring in their own film in just 2 hours.
Hi, I'm Sophie. I'm a student on the MA in Creative Writing and Publishing. I'm here volunteering along with other Bournemouth University staff and students, and we're doing the Straight 8 Challenge. Hopefully it goes well. I've been living in this hat all day. Should be fun.
I'm Dominic Wong, the Festival Director of the Bournemouth Writing Festival. We've just wrapped at the free writing workshop for young carers, which is our programme of free workshops for members of our community. I'd like to say a massive thank you to Brad from Bournemouth University, the team at MYTime Carers, and obviously the wonderful staff here at Urban Gardens who have allowed us to use their fantastic venue. Of course, the festival doesn't happen without our volunteers, so thank you to everybody who volunteered today at this event, but also during the festival itself.
No Face is a sinister alien from an outer planet. He tries to obtain a human form so he can make Earth as sinister as his home planet. No Face has just obtained the form of an innocent-looking human girl, but really, don't believe it. It's just No Face in human form. No Face's plan is going well. He's just obtained the form of a human. Now he is nearly ready to take over the world and make all humans fight to their deaths. The sinister alien is now going by, touching them, making the children fight to their deaths. Ow! No Face saw someone slyly approaching, so he bolted and ran into the shadows. A scientist approached, and she found some mysterious DNA. It didn't quite look human. The scientist used the DNA to track the alien so she can imprison him. No Face manages to melt the bars as she escapes. The scientist manages to splash a potion at her, which turns her into a true human. Now that No Face and the scientist are friends, they will go up to No Face's planet and use the potion to turn it into a peaceful community.